I'm going to show you a quick and easy craft that you can make. You can just take some styrofoam, cardboard, and some duct tape that you can find at the dollar store. They have different patterns. And then some simple tissue paper and make this cute little rosette flower wall. And you can put it in different directions. Put this at the bottom. Put it on the side. But I think I'll go with mine on top. And you can determine how large you make this display piece. So it's very easy to make this rosette. You're just going to roll this up like this and roll it tightly. And then the next piece of tissue paper that you'll use, as you roll it, you'll start in a corner and you'll roll down like this. And as you're rolling down, you can see already it's starting to make a rose. Okay, and you can make it as small or large as you want. This is a little bit smaller, these are a little bit larger. And as you're just rolling, you'll start again at a corner. You want some more petals, start at a corner and roll. And as you roll, you're bending it down, bending it down, bending it down. This is such an easy way of making a rose. And you can just hot glue it to your board. You can also just use this and glue it to a leaf. And I wanted to show you how just a simple little leaf that you can get from the dollar store. And if you want, you'll cut it, hot glue it, and there you have a leaf. The dollar store, they also sell the artificial flowers. You could take their flowers off the stems and hot glue this to a stem and present it as a cute little present. So please like this video and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.